with the start of a long weekend, we're going to take a look at some of the crypto markets and see where some of these coins are headed. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Remember, I am not your financial advisor. Always seek professional advice from a financial advisor so that you can make better judgments on your financial future. As we look here at XRP, we can see that XRP is currently at 38 cents. What has happened with XRP as it's getting ready to get out of its legal bindings? We hope that this one gets back on track and makes a move towards positive grounds. However, it's pretty much in trend with everything else. It's down right now. It's at 38 cents, and you can see it's been down, for close to 2 years now, 1.5 years. That's how long it's been down. XRP is one of those coins that I like for longer term hold. I plan to invest a little bit more into this one and possibly keep watching it until it gets to a specific level, which I cannot tell you right now. It will depend on the news in the next several weeks as it gets out of its legal bindings. Ethereum has dropped below the 1900 level, and right now it's at 1742. This is an amazing drop. You can't see it right there. There you can see it. It's dropped steadily right there. We're attempting to purchase some more as the weekend goes in. It might not be a lot, but this is one of those coins that I believe is great to hold for the long term. It's a great dip buy right now. I would leverage in, meaning if you have $1,000, why not put in 300? That's what I would do. I would put at least 300 and watch. And if it drops some more, I don't know how far it's going to drop. We can only guess, according to history, that if Bitcoin's charts has shown that it's on its worst days, it's dropped 80%, but on average, it's dropped 50%, then we're close to where this coin might be good to jump in. Right now, it's at 1700. I'd say it's a very good bargain, and holding for years to come, it may be in my best interest and probably for you too. Bitcoin is down at 28,700 right now. It's been consolidating for a few days. It dipped down into, I believe it was 27,000 earlier. That's right in here, earlier today. And this one is also a pretty good buy. Let me just see by the hourly chart and see where it's at. It's 28.7, dropped into 28,200 today or so. And this one is a pretty good buy. It did drop in here to 28, almost 28,000 flat earlier last night, actually. And this one is going to be a good hold for me. I believe that this one will go up to at least 100K. It might take a few years. It might not, but it is a good long-term hold. Again, there are a few reasons why I believe that this one it's scarce, it's limited supply, and it's in great demand. And because of those three traits, it's making it scary for some people who are individual investors, and they're dropping out while hedge funds and whales are picking it up, knowing that in the long term, this will be worth so much more because there'll be less to go around for the individual investors, and it's going to make it harder for people to come in. Shiba Inu has dropped to 0.40 and a 1. Is this a buy for me? I don't like it right now. I don't think it's a buy, but you never know if this can come back from that level that it's at right now. It has immensely dropped to levels that we haven't seen since October of 2021 or so. And that level is very close to flatlining, very similar to Luna as well. I don't know what's going on. I know this is one of the top coins that's out there that people are investing in or trading, but it just keeps flatlining right there. It's been consolidating for several days. I don't see it moving much from that point right now. FTM, which I've picked up at this same rate right now, I picked it up right in here, and I've been holding and holding. I'm still holding on this one. I believe it's going to be good for longer term hold. Some of these that are in the top 20 cryptocurrencies are very good. I don't remember if FTM is in there, but the story behind it, I liked and I believe in it. Suku, I've been alerting for several months now, since January. And when it was at 7, I told people it was a good time to buy. Look at that, it already made over 20% from that 7 cent mark. And I still think it's a good hold. Why not? For those of you who've made the 10 to 30% from when I alerted it at 7 cents, why don't you cash in if you feel safer? Because some people are worried about holding it for long term because it has dropped immensely, but so have most of the coins. Dogecoin had a moment of joy as Elon Musk mentioned that they would start accepting crypto. It was right in here. You can see the move right in here, and it moved up to what, 0.089 cents, and now it's consolidating to the 0.081 cents. But that was the move it made. So it probably means that Elon Musk no longer is considered the father of the Dogecoin. I would tend to believe that there will be more news coming out on Doge. And once that news comes out, there's a good possibility this will make some moves. I'm invested in Doge, not a lot, but some. And I believe in this meme coin. This meme coin is followed by many people, and many people are holding since it was at its highs back in, I believe it was last year sometime in 70 cents range. I believe it's what it was. Yep, 71 cents range. It has not recuperated since, but people are still holding. They're still hodling. It's been over a year since that happened. BNB is one of the newer ones that I'm following, but this is a powerhouse. It has its own exchange, as well as this coin is very powerful. It's at $303 right now. This is good to hold for longer term. Will it drop? Will it go up? I don't know, but my guess is that leveraging in is the best way to do it. If you have some money to put in here, 1,000, 10,000, leverage in 10, 15% and see where it goes in the next few days and wager from there. But you can see here that there was a dip to the $211, which would have been an awesome jump in here. But if it goes back down, I'd say it's even better of an investment. But we'll see what happens in the next few days because there's more news coming out. And just remember that as crypto moves on, there's a lot of news that's pending in the stocks world that are affecting crypto right now. Although in the last several days, the news, or in the last several hours, the news that came out was positive in stocks. However, crypto has not been moving in the same direction. It's opposite. We'll take a look at crypto at stocks in the next video. But right now, if you're looking to double your bank account, why don't you invest in your knowledge account so your money market account will grow multiplied? Until the next one, we'll talk about more of the crypto world.